Hello guys, in today's video we want to prepare fried egg rice. We need grated carrots, green capsicum and onions with 2 eggs, washed rice and dark soy sauce. In a sufuria, heat up the oil and add your washed rice. Coat them with the oil so that they don't absorb a lot of oil by mixing until they become crunchy. Okay, then add water. That's 1 cup, that means 2 cups of water to it, and allow to simmer to absorb the for 15 minutes. 15 minutes over, our rice is ready. You can see it's very single grain, very soft and look delicious. In another sufuria, we add our onions. We fry them until golden brown. Then we add our carrot, shredded carrot plus capsicum or the green bell, as you know it, pili pili hoho. Saute until it's done. Then add your eggs, crumble the eggs so that you get tiny pieces, not a block. Then add a little soy sauce. Soy sauce makes it have a good taste and it's salty. Saute until it's done. Add your rice there. Mix until you come with a homogeneous. Look, it look delicious, very delicious. Now you can take your lunch or supper.